Hey gang, let's stitch things up with one of the most iconic looks in knitting, the stockinette stitch. You've seen it on sweaters, scarves, jumpers and more. It's that smooth V-shaped texture on the front and those bumpy little ridges on the back. And guess what? It's just a combination of our favourites, the knit and purl stitch. So here's how it works. Row 1, we're going to knit every stitch. So yarn at the back of the work, you stab it, strangle it, scoop the guts out, and slide it off a cliff. You know the drill, just knit every stitch in this row. All right, we're at the end of the row, we're going to turn our work. So the needle with the stitches on it goes into your left hand, and we're going to work our stitches now from the left to the right. This row is going to be purl stitches. So you'll purl every stitch. Yarn at the front of the work. We'll stab it from right to left. We'll strangle it. We'll scoop the guts out down and towards the back. And we'll throw it off a cliff. Then you just repeat. So you'll knit a row, then you'll purl a row. Hot tip for new knitters, if you accidentally mess up the sequence and knit a row that was meant to be a purl or vice versa, you'll end up reversing your stockinette stitch. So that means the side that normally has the V's suddenly goes bumpy and vice versa. If that's the case, you'll want to gently frog your work or undo those rows and go back to before the mistake started. Or if you're less of a perfectionist, you can keep going and call it texture. When you're working in stockinette stitch, you'll see that there is a right side and a wrong side. The right side is where you can see all of the V stitches lined up nice and smooth. The wrong side is where you can see all the bumpy purl stitches. Keep going with your knit purl rhythm and you'll be stitching like a star in no time.